Hello mga kapatid, kamusta kayo dito? So, ang reading natin ngayon is Kung Maibabalik Ko Lang. So, this is not just all about love life or love reading. It's everything, okay? Kung maibabalik ko lang, could be about work-related or family member or friendship, yung mga memories na sana pwede pang maibalik or may chance pa ba na maibalik ito. If this about like a person, na iniisip nyo na sana magbabalik itong person ito with may mga nakaraan, you know what I mean? Like yung mga um, memories, kung may babalik ko lang, it could be painful memories, painful memories sa love person mo, friend, family member, or a lover, ikaw lang nakakaalam. So again, this is general reading. Palala ko lang, kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakakasunit. Bawal po ang nega dito. Hindi po ito personal reading. Itong reading na ito ay para sa lahat. So kung saan kayo nakakasunit, yan, para ito sa inyo or kunin nyo na lang. Kung hindi naman, then wag tayong magalit. Kasi ibig sabihin, hindi ito para sa iyo. Okay? Kung hindi ka nakakasunit sa reading na ito. Yan. So, kung may babalik ko lang, ano ba yan? The person in your mind, feel free. Okay, feel free na isipin ninyo itong person ninyo about the past. It could be a family member, a friendship, classmate, a lover, something like that. Kaya, before you watch this reading or this video, pause nyo muna yung video, mag-meditate ng konti, and isipin ninyo yung mga past event na sana ay magbabalik, na sana, or specific sa person ninyo. Yeah. The person in your mind or sa yung tao na iniisip nyo ngayon. Is that person also think about you? Yung person iniisip niyo, iniisip ka rin ba niya na sana may balik pa yun? Or parehas ba kayo ng person mo na naalala yung mga nakaraan na sana may balik pa? Okay? So, mamaya, malalaman natin. We have here pile 1 and pile number 2. So, before kayo pumili, mag-meditate ng konti. And then once you open your eyes, think about the pile, which pile that you are, na makaresonate kayo or yung energy. If you are drawn to any of this pile, yung mga energy na parang hinihila ka, then that will be the pile that meant for you na mapanood itong video na ito. If you're feeling like undecided, kapatid, then maybe there's 2, okay? Siguro sa dalawang itong pile, feel free to choose 2 piles. Yeah. If ever na napanood mo na yung video, yung buong video, hindi ka pa nakakasunod, siguro hindi lang natin nakukuha yung energy mo. So, wag tayong bitter. Ito ay katuwaan lang. Nasa sa'yo na kung paniwalaan mo o hindi. Basta, at least may nalalaman tayo dito. Minsan kasi may mga messages na it's like meant for us na makita ito. Yeah. So, kayo na pong bahala if you want to believe this or not. Pero wala po akong, there's no like, walang sapilitan dito, no? Katuwaan lang tayo. Happy lang. Walang bitter. So, move on na tayo. Pile number 1. Okay. Alright. Hello, pile 1. Kamusta kayo dito? Okay. Sana ang lahat ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. So, alamin muna natin ang iyong current energy. Yeah. Spirit Angels, kamusta ang ating pile number 1? Para malaman natin na ito ang file para sa iyo, ano? Kunin niyo lang kung saan kayo nakakasunit, mga kapatid. My Spirit Angels. Ano ba yan? Hold on. You know what? Parang natat ang file 1 natin, ah. Spirit Angels, kamusta ang ating file number 1? Current energy ng ating file number 1, please. Alright. Wow. So, file number 1, there's something na ikaw itong may, again, as a reminder, hawak-hawak mo yung happiness mo. Yeah. Mixed energy agad nakukuha ko dito. May iba naman dito, broken family, nalulungkot ka dahil siguro hindi mo nakuha itong happy family, hindi mo to nakuha itong fulfilled na finances, siguro hindi mo, something about like sa pamilya mo na masuportahan ito, yung iba sa inyo dito, you are happy, masaya ka na masuportahan ang mga pangangailangan ng iyong pamilya, ang iyong mga anak. Kung ikaw ito may mga anak, yes, siguro you are struggling, yung iba sa inyo dito, okay? Siguro you are struggling na to support them financially. It's more about money, finances, sa iyong pamilya, sa mga needs nila. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, natutuwa ka na ikaw itong sumusuporta para sa kanila. Yeah. You just want this working together. Siguro you and your husband, you two are working together na mapasaya itong pamilya mo, na mabuo itong happy family na pinapangarap mo, na gusto mo. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, na-achieve mo na yung mga pangarap mo na magkaroon ng happy family, na finally, na-fulfilled ko na itong happy family o nabuo ko na ito, na finally na may mga anak na ako, finally na may asawa at anak na ako. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, it's like you are working abroad or parang may distance dito, ano? Siguro like may distance na, I would say like distance na, it doesn't have to be like nasa abroad, you know? But again, natutuwa ka na makausap sila. Like through social media, online, or like phone call. Yeah. Sila itong, pagka narinig mo na sila, pagkausap mo na sila, pile number 1, sila ang nagbibigay ng happiness mo. Yeah. I would say like, excitement. Yeah. I would say like, determination. Yeah. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, a single mom, a single parent, kahit na single parent mo nito, yes, hindi masaya, I would say, walang taong maging masaya kung ikaw ay single parent, ano. Lahat naman tayo ay nangangarap na mabuo ang pamilya natin. But again, kahit na feeling mo na single ka, nag-iisa ka, para buhayin itong mga mahal mo sa buhay, itong pamilya mo, nakakaya mo pa naman. Yeah, hindi siya yung tipo na kahit na hindi kumpleto, kahit na nag-iisa ka, feeling mo alone ka, andyan pa rin sila sa'yo. Nararamdaman mo yung love nila. Kahit na kausap mo lang sila, kahit nasa malayo ka, or may distance kayo dito, marinig mo lang sila na yung nagbibigay ng energy na siyang to keep moving forward. You know what I mean? So, again, hindi ito makakarasunit sa lahat. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunit, no? Alright, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? More energy ng ating pile number 1, please. Yeah. Okay. Meron dito na yung broken family. Until now, you are still holding on, thinking about the past na, kasi di ba yung reading natin is kung maibabalik ko lang. Maybe you are still thinking about from the past na sana kung maibabalik ko lang yung nakaraan na buo pa yung pamilya mo, di sana'y masaya na kayo, kompleto na kayo. That's the energy that I'm also getting. And I'm also getting like my third party situation. Nalulungkot ka na makita yung person mo or your ex-partner na masaya na siya sa ibang pamilya. That's the energy that I'm getting, na para bang pinipicture mo sarili mo, kapatid, sa sitwasyon ng yung ex-person, ex-husband, ex-lover. Just take what resonates for you here. Yung current partner niya ngayon na masaya, di sana ikaw na yun. Parang ganong energy. Na masaya siya ngayon, masaya siya sa partner niya ngayon, masaya siya sa pamilya niya ngayon. Dapat ako yun. Dapat ako yan, yung nandyan na pamilya na yan. Parang ganong energy na masaya. Yeah, that's the energy that I'm getting, na kung maibabalik ko lang, you are still thinking about the past and future, okay? Na sana humantong kayo sa kasalan, na may mga anak kayo, yung nagkahiwalay man kayo ngayon, pero tuloy yung ipinalit niya sa'yo, mas nagiging masaya sila. You know what I mean? Medyo magulo yung yung energy dito. But again, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakakarasunit, kasi hindi po to para sa lahat. Ito lang yung energy na kukuha ko, yung iba sa inyo. Napaka-specific. Alright, Spirit Guide Angels, ano pa? More current energy ng ating mga pile number 1. Okay. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Meron dito na kahit kumpleto ang pamilya, hirap na hirap pa rin financially, nalulungkot ka na hindi mo, o naghihikahos ka, yung tawag doon, naghihikahos. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, kapatid, kayo lang nakakaalam dito sa sinasabi ko. But anyway, yung having a hard time na to support your children financially, yes, again guys, as a reminder, be grateful, you know, na paalala sa iyo ni universe, be grateful na kumpleto ang pamilya mo, andyan ang mga anak mo, andyan yung husband mo. Hindi lahat ng bagay ay maging mayaman ka. Isa rin naman ito sa blessings mo na may pamilya ka, na andyan sila, na magbibigay ng tuwa sa iyo ng saya. It's okay na kahit minsan naghihirap man kayo financially, hindi naman habang buhay ganyan. You know? So, I'm also getting the energy na it's already direct, straight to the point itong pile number 1 advice for you as a parent. Kahit na naghihirap ka man ngayon, again, as a reminder, if there's a rain, there will be a rainbow in the future. So, keep going. And tama lang na yung pamilya mo, ang mga anak mo, itong husband mo, again, the family, something more about family, tama lang na sila ang pagkuhanan mo ng lakas ng loob. So, keep going. Yeah. Kasi hindi habang buhay na maghihirap ka financially. Darating din na panahon na ma-achieve mo rin yung mga goal mo sa buhay, yung mga pangarap mo. Yeah. Na masuportahan mo sila, lahat na mabigay mo sa kanila, na magiging mayaman kayo dito. I'm getting like, na magiging mayaman kami. Gusto ko magiging mayaman kami. Kami ng mga anak ko, na mas food sila. Okay, you really love your children or your daughter, your son. Okay, kasi halo-halo yung energy natin dito. Sila ang buhay mo, sila ang punot dulo ng iyong kasiyahan, ang iyong mga pangarap na makausap mo lang sila, masuportahan sila. Okay, what else, Spirit Angels? Okay, hold on. So we have here the Magician. You guys are, meron ditong, maybe you're doing spell love or love spell, the Magician in love, you know, like, minamanifest mo ito, either minamanifest mo itong love, na sana itong taong ito ay, lalapit sa'yo, yeah, or sana one day mamimit mo itong tao, or makukuha mo siya. I'm getting like, one of you here, meron ditong love spell, may ginagawang love spell. Ikaw ba ito, or someone, an energy na someone is doing a love spell. Yeah. If you're feeling like, kasi meron ditong nag-uumapaw. Someone here is so in love with a person. Yeah, na either minamanifest mo ito or love spell. I'm getting like love spell. Okay? So, again, hindi ito para sa lahat, ha? Okay. So again, if minamanifest mo itong, okay, Spirit, can you tell me more about the Magician and Ace of Cups? The Chariot and the Hierophant. Wow. Yung iba dito sa inyo, siguro trabaho mo ito or gawain mo itong gumagawa ng fusion, you know what I mean, of fusion. Yung gumagawa ng mga, anong tawag ba sa Tagalog? Yung love spell. I'm sorry guys, medyo blanco yung utak ko ngayon. You know what I mean? Alam mo kung anong ibig kong sabihin yung sinasabi kong love spell o yung fusion. Yeah. Yeah. Kasi meron ditong you could be a manggagamot or doing witchcraft. Yeah. So again, if you guys don't want, so kung ikaw itong hindi naman manggagamot and gusto mo ma-proteksyonan ng iyong energy na hindi ka mabiktima ng mga love spell or something like that. Kasi baka malay mo, meron kasi ditong magugulat ka na lang bakit na inlababo ka sa taong ito, wala ka namang gusto. Hindi naman gwapo, lahat-lahat ayaw mo sa kanya, pero parang meron ditong is something about like a love spell did to you. Yung iba sa inyo dito or someone here. Napaka-specific. So be careful guys kung ayaw mo itong mangyari sa'yo. And feel free to, feel free na dumulog kayo sa mga healer, na mabigyan kayo ng mga protection para sa mga love spell or mga paninira through, you know, by doing this witchcraft or black magic. So mag-ingat-ingat kasi meron ditong something about like a black magic. Yeah. And I'm also getting here like the Magician and Ace of Cups. Baka ikaw din itong gumagawa ng dark magic or witchcraft, something like that, or a healer. Yeah. And siguro may mga client ka na gustong or lumalapit sa iyo na to do love spell. And marami, okay? Marami dito na, o marami ka siguro mga client na lumalapit sa iyo, about love spell or humihingi ng mga advice sa iyo when it comes to love. And that's what you are doing. That's what you are, ito yung tinatrabaho mo, ito yung, siguro ito yung as a healer, as a doing witchcraft or dark magic, something like that, or you know what I mean? Ito yung isa sa mga magaling ka or saan ka mahasa. Yeah. Or nahahasa. Ano ba yun yun ba yung sa Tagalog? Okay. Yeah. You guys are very intuitive. Yeah. Psychic. Napaka-psychic ninyo. And someone here, very specific, you are manifesting this person na or you are manifesting that someone na will truly love you. Yung tunay na pag-ibig na sana ay darating na siya. Okay? Yeah. Or maybe, yung iba sa inyo dito, you are searching a pure love, a true love. Kaya minsan hindi mo alam kung lipat ka ng trabaho or magta-travel ka ba, paano mo ba makikita yung tunay mong pag-ibig, yung soulmate. Yeah. Meron ditong desperate ka na makilala itong new person mo or your soulmate or your real lover, yung tunay na pag-ibig. Yeah. Yan ang minamanifest mo. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe you are manifesting about a real friendship. Yes. And you are manifesting about this a group of friends na sana ito ay tuloy-tuloy ang trust. So again guys, when you choose a person or people around you, whoever you are meeting, kung sino man yung nakilala ninyo, follow your gut feeling. Kasi minsan, your instinct is helping you or your spirit animals, spirit guides is sending you a message through your intuition na be careful with this person. Kasi parang warning. So, pay attention guys sa mga instinct ninyo, sa pakiramdam ninyo, if this person is good for you or not. Okay? Alright. 4 of Pentacles, the Fool, 9 of Cups. Okay. So, yung iba naman sa inyo dito, you are waiting for another opportunity. Whatever opportunity it is, career, most likely kasi meron dito pagta-travel. Maybe you are looking forward na sana may bagong magbubukas na trabaho, career, finances, work-related, or business. You are waiting. Meron kang hinihintay. Or it could be a news. Yeah. Meron dito kasing naghihintay ka sa next travel mo, sa next chapter. So again, kunin nyo lang guys kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate dito. Meron naman dito na naghihintay ka na okay. Again guys, I'm also getting like meron ditong nagmamanifest sa or nag-meditate sa beach, which is good. Okay? Kasi yung salt water or salty water helps you to clean the bad energy. Yeah, para malinis itong bad energy mo, para matanggal itong bad energy. So you are spending time more often sa dagat, which is really good. At maraming salamat dito kasi I'm also getting like you are getting my advice. At maraming salamat sa pagtutok nyo dito, any of my tarot reading videos, and sa pag-follow ninyo or pagsunod ninyo sa aking mga advice. Maraming salamat po for believing in me or in this reading or any of these messages from your spirit guides. As again, ako po ay messenger, as your messenger, yeah, in this reading. And maraming salamat po. So that's the energy that I'm also getting for you. Sana nakaresonate kayo sa mga any of these ang tawag nito, energies. Okay? Kung hindi kayo nakakaresonate sa mga energies dito, maybe this reading is not meant for you or this style. So, move on na tayo. Alamin na natin yung person. Okay? Okay. Spirit guide angels. Itong taong itong, the person on their mind right now, itong taong iniisip ng pile number 1, siya ba ang taong nais ibalik ang nakaraan or maibalik yung nakaraan? Yes or no? Kasi 'di ba, kung may inisip kang tao na sana maibalik pa ito, kayo ba, you and your person ba are in the same situation na sana maibalik pa natin ito? Okay? So is this person, yes or no? Confirm na natin ito ha. Gusto din ba niyang ibalik ang nakaraan? The person in your mind. Okay? Yes or no? Okay, I'm getting this. Okay, maybe. We have here maybe, deceit, lies, trickery, cheating, theft. Maybe this person cheated on you or meron itong nagnakaw. Siguro naging kalaban mo siya, mixed dito, mayroong relationship, meron ditong betrayal. Yeah, siguro itong taong ito ay napaka-strategic, user. Sorry guys, I'm getting like this person could be a user, liar. Baka itong tao ang nakipag-break sa'yo. Yeah, mixed energy, may friendship, family. Meron kasi ditong a brotherhood, merong brotherhood. Kasi minsan kahit nasabi natin brotherhood, maybe tinuturing mo siyang kapatid, you know, as a friend, something like that. Kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. So we have here maybe. This could be the person na gusto pa rin ibalik ang nakaraan. Kasi this person already moved on. Yeah, the person in your mind, this person already moved on. Okay, move on from you or from the past. Yeah, from the past. There's a time, okay, there's a time na tinan mo siya, oh. Lumingon siya sa likod. There's a moment na naalala ka niya. But it doesn't have to like ibalik yung iba sa inyo. You know? Kasi itong taong ito, parang ano lang siya happy-go-lucky. Yeah. Parang, okay, after you, nabiktim ka na niya, nabiktima ka, o isa ka sa naging biktima niya, move forward na siya, may iba pa siya mga tao na bibiktimahin pa niya. That's also the energy that I'm getting. Okay. So, now, alamin na natin, sino naman itong tao na gustong ibalik ang nakaraan sa'yo? This could be a lover, a family, a friend. Okay? And then, alamin natin, ano ang nais niyang balikan sa'yo. Alright, Spirit Guide Angel, sino naman itong tao na nais balikan ang nakaraan sa ating pile number 1? Is this a lover, friend, family member? Alright, sino itong tao na gustong balikan or iniisip lately sa ating pile number 1? Okay, na nais niyang balikan. Okay, or iniisip ka, sino itong tao? Yes or no? I mean, not yes or no, but alamin natin kung friend, family member, okay, o katrabaho. Sino itong tao na, ano ba to? Ayaw naman niya. Try natin yung ibang cards. Okay. Alright, Spirit Guide Angel, sino naman itong tao na iniisip o naalala sa ating pile number 1 na nais niyang balikan o may nais siyang balikan? Ano ba to? Hindi ko to ano kasi medyo magulo. Maraming sagot. Alright, pile number 1. I'm getting like this could be, I'm getting the energy like a pilot. May dumaan kasing eroplano. Baka this person is working in a, as a pilot or working in a airport or sa eroplano or mechanic. Okay. Alright, pile number 1, person na iniisip sila na nais balikan ang nakaraan, ang mga events na nakaraan. Okay. Tell me. Give us a clue. Yan. Alright, 7. This is like about, this is like a past. I'm getting like a past or mga naging kaaway mo. Yung mga nakaraan. Okay? So, you have been fighting about this person. May battle. May pangyari na hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? So, just take what resonates for you here. There's love. There's a hidden love. Mahal na mahal mo sila. Siguro, this mix ha, a family, friends, and a lover. Okay? Siguro, ilang beses ka nang na-betrayed. Again, betrayal, maybe. Okay? Yeah, ilang beses ka nang na-betrayed. Ilang beses ka nang nasaktan. Yeah, minahal mo sila. May mga tao sa paligid mo na may sabihin natin na hindi pagkakaintindihan o hindi maganda ang pagkakaintindihan ninyo. Parang the energy na ng tawag nito, kulang sa komunikasyon. You know, there's a communication na para siya yung kunwari mag-uusap kayo and then hindi tama yung komunikasyon ninyo or may mali sa komunikasyon ninyo at napupunta na lang sa away o sa gulo. Okay? So, hindi lang isang beses nangyari, maraming beses na. Yeah. So, yung iba sa inyo dito, the person who's thinking about you na gulo, pag-aaway, or sagutan, this person's thinking about you na sana maibalik pa ito. Siguro yung moment na nag-aaway kayo, naghihiyawa, hindi siya naghihiyawan, ang tawag doon yung nagsasagutan, may mga sagutan dito. Yeah? You are trying to protect yourself. And maybe that's why meron dito ayaw mo na siyang makausap or ayaw mo na sila makausap. There could be like a group of people. Yeah. Ayaw mo na sila makausap. And again, these people or this person, kasi mix ha, may people, multiple people. O siguro we say 2, 4, 6, 7. Iba siguro 7 people. Okay? Na they are still thinking. Maybe a group of people, a co-workers, or a lover na ilang beses ka na, or ilang beses na kayo ng lover mo na nag-aaway. It could be a lover kasi minahal mo sila. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, a group of people, of friends, or somebody na na-stab ka behind their back, parang ilang beses ka na betrayed. And these people are still thinking of you, or this person still thinking of you. That moment na nagkaroon ng gulo or hindi pagkakaintindihan. Okay? Okay, so this person thinking of you, ano ang gusto niyang sabihin sa iyo? Okay? So ang nais niyang balikan ng person na ito, kasi ang reading natin is about kung maibabalik ko lang. So kung maibabalik ko lang yung time na nagkaroon ka ng sagutan, yung time na nag-aaway kayo, nung time na kasi ngayon nagkakaroon ka ng boundaries, ayaw mo na sila makausap, ayaw mo na mangyari ito. Kasi this person lied to you, trickery, siguro magdanakaw, you know what I mean? Scheming, alam mo na siguro na scam ka na. Meron kasi dito na naalala niya. Okay? So gusto niyang maibalik yung time na alamin natin kung bakit gusto niyang balikan ang time na yun. Why this person wants to gusto niyang balikan itong time na ito sa ating pile number 1. Ano ang dahilan? Okay. Nung time na nag-aaway sila, itong 7 of Swords. Ano ang dahilan kung bakit niya ito balikan? Pile number 1. Ano ang dahilan? Okay. Oh, so it could be money. So again, meron itong na-scam. Siguro na-scam ka ng lover mo. Na-scam ka. Maybe this person wants to control you again. Kasi you are dealing with the devil. Yeah. You are dealing with the devil. Yung iba dito sa inyo, pinipirahan ka, na-scam ka, pinipirahan ka ng family member, or pinipirahan ka ng lover mo, or pinipirahan ka ng kaibigan mo, or again, meron ditong na-scam. Yeah. And siguro yung iba dito sa inyo, ilang beses ka na na-scam ng taong ito. Kaya nga minsan, ayaw mo na sila makausap. And again, this person wants to get back from that moment na sana'y maibalik pa. Okay? Meron siguro ditong nagagalit ka, nag-aaway kayo tungkol sa pera. And this person wants to, parang gusto niyang, siguro na may na-edit, may story dito na na-edit, na bago. Yes. And maybe that's why the person wants to change that moment. Gusto niya ibalik yung moment na iyon. Okay? But again, takot ka na ma-betrayed muli. Takot ka na nakawan ka muli ng pera o ng taong ito. Takot ka na hindi naman din kayo magkakaintindihan. So that's also the energy. So again, this person is like want to get back with you with this about itong nakaraan na baka makaka-score na naman siya na lukuhin ka. Okay? Wow. What else? What else, Spirit Guide Angels? So, kaya nga hindi mo na siya naisip. Yung iba sa inyo dito, hindi mo na siya naisip. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, naiinis ka lang. Yeah. Naiinis ka lang na maalala tong scammer na ito. Itong user na ito. And you have enough. Kaya nga, di ba, meron dito kasing you have this wall, hindi mo na ito kinakat, siguro kinakat off mo na itong taong ito, you're trying your best to move on, naiinis ka man, but this person, itong naloko ka, naalala pa rin niya, or parang nagkakaroon siya na idea na, balikan ko kaya si pile number 1, kausapin ko uli siya. And this person's like getting this idea na, siguro madali kayong nauto. And maybe hoping na mauto ka muli. So again, guys, be careful. Yeah. Be careful who are the person or who you are dealing with. Mag-ingat-ingat kayo kung sino itong ka-deal ninyo. Because who knows? Yung iba sa inyo dito, you are being scammed. Yung iba sa inyo dito, you are being used. Okay? And hindi lang ikaw ang nagamit ng taong ito. Marami kayong na-scam niya or nagamit niya, no? Napaka ano ng tao ito, wais. Yeah. So, ingat-ingat kapatid. Pile number 1. Alright? Or mag-ingat kayo sa mga mahilig manguuto. Yeah. Okay? So, what else? Final advice na tayo. Okay. Alright. You know what? Alamin natin yung mga katangian ng iyong pile number 1's person. Spirit Guide Angels, let me know the person na gustong balikan ang nakaraan ng ating pile number 1. Or, yeah, kung may babalik pa ba niya. Okay? So, that's why naisip ng tao ito, kung may babalik pa niya yung nakaraan, na kung na-scam ka niya or nagamit ka niya, mangyayari kayang muli na makipagbalikan siya sa'yo, kausapin ka muli niya, na mauto ka pa rin ba? Again, guys, paalala, be wise. Huwag nyo nang hayaan itong taong ito na gamitin kayong muli. Yeah. Alright, what else, guys? Tell me more about this person. Sino itong ka-deal ng ating pile number 1 na dapat sila mag-iingat sa taong ito na nag-iisip ng balikan muli itong panuloko. Okay. Alright, we have here Aries. Mapagmahal na tao. And again, yung mga manuloko, pinapakitang minamahal kayo. Maraming napaiyak, so marami, again, di ba sinabi ko na sa inyo dito? Kanina pa, hindi lang ikaw na biktima niya. Musician, maganda siguro ang boses nito, talented. Year of the Snake, so mag-ingat-ingat. Tomboy. Okay. Fashion or fashion designer, siguro itong tao ito ay fashionista, good looking. Okay, shoes, something related sa shoes. Okay. Or could be a business, may negosyo sa mga sapatos, o nagbibenta ng sapatos, o maganda or mahilig sa sapatos. Fashionista, nasabi na rin yan, letter N. And a builder. Maganda talaga ang katawan ng taong ito. So, final advice from the universe. My Spirit Guide Angels, what is your final advice for pile number 1, please? Final advice, pile number 1. A family, okay? More likely here, pamilyado ang mga viewers natin dito or related sa family. Okay? Pause nyo na lang kung gusto nyo basahin ito. Okay, family. This situation is rooted in an emotional experience with a family member, which we can help you to understand and heal. In your mind and heart, surround this person yourself and experience with calming blue light and many angels. Be open to the gifts within the situation and allow yourself to feel the peace. Okay? So again guys, be grateful, nasabi ko na rin kanina, be grateful na kumpleto ang iyong pamilya. Kasi hindi lahat pare-parehas ng situation dahil may iba dyan, okay, na minamanifest na sana ay magkaroon ng kumpletong pamilya. You know what I mean? So, again, be grateful kung anong meron tayo. Lalong-lalo na sa pamilya natin. You know, magpapasalamat and show your love sa bawat isa ng pamilya, sa kapatid, sa mga magulang, sa mga anak. And you have this like you are being guided. Natutuwa ang iyong spirit guides, your guardian angel. They are there. Andyan sila para ma-assist ang iyong mga anak, matulungan ka, masuportahan yung mga anak mo. Okay? And your angel guides, they're watching you from afar. Pinapanood ka nila sa malayo. Okay? Of how you take good care of your children, how you take good care of your family, kung paano mo sila inaalagaan. Yeah, and you are being blessed having this family. You know, kahit na single ka, be grateful na andyan ang pamilya mo. Yeah. Okay? So hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa reading na ito. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. Hello, pile number 2. Kamusta kayong lahat mga kapatid? So ang reading natin, di ba, kung maibabalik ko lang. Okay, pile number 2, kung maibabalik ko lang. Okay, so the person in your mind, okay, siya ba, ma-confirm natin ha, i-confirm natin mamaya. First things first, kunin natin yung energy mo, and then later, confirm natin itong tao na iniisip ninyo. Okay? Iniisip niya rin ba ang nakaraan na kung pwede maibabalik pa? Okay? At kung ano itong gusto niya ring maibabalik. Kung hindi naman, kung no ang sagot, later, kung hindi siya yung tao na gusto niyang ibalik, maybe another person. Okay? It could be relatives, a family member, friends, coworkers, a lover, maybe thinking someone else. It could be someone na hindi mo iniisip. Maybe someone lately iniisip ka na kung maibabalik pa lang. Okay? Or kung may chance pa na ibabalik pa iyong nakaraan. Okay? Kasi minsan may mga bagay na hindi natin aware na itong tao pala iniisip pa rin yung nakaraan or naalala ka na sana maibalik pa yun, you know? Could be friends, family, co-worker. Alright, spirit guide angels. And then later, hingi tayo ng advice, final advice ng universe para sa iyo. Alright. Tell me more about our pile number 1's current energy, please. Current energy pile, no. Alright, pile number 1, also watch this pile number 2. Kaway-kaway naman dyan. Okay. Alright, spirit guide angels, pile number 2's energy, please. Current energy ng ating pile number 2, please. Pile number 2's energy. Okay, 8 of Cups. Yes, you guys are moving forward. Siguro, ikaw ito naglalakbay. Maybe you have to leave the people behind. Siguro ikaw ay nagta-travel or nagtatrabaho abroad or naglalakbay sa malayo in order for you to find this, something about your emotion. Okay? Nakikita ko kasi yung water, yung tubig, So, this could be related sa family. Again, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate dahil ito ay general reading, hindi po ito private reading. Paalala ko lang po, wala tayong bitter. Yeah, bawal ang bitter dito mga kapatid. So move on na tayo. So 8 of Cups, you might be maybe there's some people, a group of friends, it could be group of friends na tinalikuran mo na. Yeah, you care for these people and mix ang energy kung nakukuha dito sa 8 of Cups eh. Yeah, lots of different story. Maraming story dito nakukuha ko sa ating pile number 2. So pile number 2, maybe maraming mga friends, it could be friends or a group of people na tinalikuran mo na. Yeah, maybe you are in a journey of something else. Siguro malayo ka sa mahal mo sa buhay, yung iba sa inyo dito, at yung iba naman dito, you are trying to, siguro may relocation, moving forward. Yeah, maybe that's why emotionally, you're trying to move on from this group of people, a family member, co-workers, o siguro na meron ditong relocation, yeah, transformation, siguro nagbabago ka ng ibang trabaho o nag-transfer ka sa ibang trabaho, yung iba sa inyo dito, or yung iba naman sa inyo dito, siguro tapos na yung contract mo sa isang company, kaya ikaw ay aalis na. Yeah, kasi meron din dito na you have to leave, kailangan mong umalis or iwanan itong pamilya mo kasi meron kang pupuntahan. Someone here is like traveling. Yeah. Yung iba naman dito sa inyo, you are like out of control. Meron itong emotionally, maybe you are trying hard to control your emotions. You know, nagkakaroon ka siguro ng struggle or na-overthink ka siguro emotionally, kapatid. Marami ka sigurong iniisip o inaalala lately. This is about worry. Worry ka kasi mahal na mahal mo sila. And then, siguro kaya nga napapaisip ka, marami kang iniisip lately. Naguguluhan ka, meron itong naguguluhan ka, hindi mo alam kung paano kontrolin ang iyong emosyon. Meron naman ditong nahihirapan din kontrolin ang iyong mga minamanifest. Kasi marami kang minamanifest, kaya hindi mo alam alin ba dito yung mga minamanifest mo, itong mga ginagawa mo. It could be a project, it could be an activity or something na you're out of control. Hindi mo alam kung alin ang uunahin. Kaya worry ka kung sa paanong paraan ito makukontrol, you know? Yeah. Yeah. Yan, yung iba naman dito sa inyo, it just happened na nakita mo ito. I'm getting like you guys are getting, siguro napapahula kayo, pile number 2, or mahilig ka siguro manonood ng mga hula, yung mga videos. And yung iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe this video appears on your social media or sa YouTube mo, and that's why napapanood mo ito or pinapanood mo ito kasi this reading baka makaka-resonate ka dito. Yeah. And I'm also getting like, you will get the answer that you are seeking for. So makukuha mo, through this reading, this pile na napili mo, you will be getting this answer. I'm getting the energy na may mapupulutan kang aral dito sa reading na ito, pile number 2. Or, yung iba sa inyo dito, you are trying to learn doing this tarot reading. And kaya nga minsan nakukonfuse ka, hindi mo alam, maybe you are a new tarot reader or manghuhula or a healer, siguro baguhan ka lang, and you are trying, you know, nanonood ka ng mga ibang videos through YouTube or any social media para matuto ka. And that's why minamanifest mo ito, na sana matuto ka. You are trying your best to learn through tarot reading videos, or again, baguhan ka dito and hindi mo alam kung paano ito, paano ka mas magiging magaling sa paraang ito o sa ginagawa mo or makontrol ito. Yeah. So, iba-iba yung sitwasyon natin dito, guys, ha? Hindi lang isang tao ito, hindi ito private reading, general reading po ito. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay. Yung iba sa inyo dito, you are still holding on from the pain. Meron dito nagmumukmuk lang. You'd rather like staying home. Yeah. Yung iba dito, para iwas na masaktan ka, nagbabasa ka na lang ng mga love story, or siguro you are still reminiscing from the past. Kaya you are trying your best to live your life to the fullest. Na nakapag-move on ka na, siguro na-betrayed ka na ng 3 or 3 beses ka na nasaktan. Yung iba naman sa inyo dito, maybe you are dealing with a third party. And I'm also getting like, you are trying your best to move on. Move on sa mga backstabber, move on from the painful. You are looking forward for a new direction of life. You know? Kasi minsan, nagkakaroon ka kasi ng mga imbalance, out of control. Nahirapan kang control itong mga pangarap mo, itong mga ginagawa mo. It could be study, related sa study or sa pamilya. Nahirapan kang makontrol ito. May mga struggle. Yeah. And you are trying your best to, meron ditong na gusto mong i-confront, or parang gusto mong siguro i-confront itong ex mo, or meron itong nagagalit eh. Gusto mo siyang tatalakan or bubulyawan sa galit. May tao dito na someone in your mind na gusto mo siyang i-confront. Whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Yan. Naiinis ka, gusto mo maging vocal, gusto mo malaman yung nararamdaman mo. Dahil sa inis mo, something ikaw lang nakakaalam, kapatid, ha? Hindi ko na kukunin yung buong energy about that confrontation na gusto mong makumprontahan itong taong ito. Maybe this could be a love related sa love na gusto mong i-confront. Maybe because you find out something na may third party o may iba siya o nakakaramdam ka. Yeah. Or siguro dahil sa mga hula or something na intuition, it could be sa hula, nakukuha mo na your person, or maybe you are hearing a story na your person have somebody else, okay? And you want to confront this person, okay? Very specific. Yeah. Page of Swords. So again, you want success. Meron dito na bata pa lang, or at the young age, you are already successful. And again, congratulations to you. Kasi hindi lahat na at the young age, you are already getting your manifestation, or talagang matalino ka talaga, or successful, or very determination, marami kang determination, or at the young age, marami ka nang na-achieve. Okay? So again, congratulations. And again, at the young age, meron itong at the young age, pile number 2, you can do it. Yeah. You can achieve this goal. Makukuha mo itong goal, itong mga pinapangarap mo, itong minamanifest mo. Do your homeworks. Do more study. Matalino ka, magaling ka, and ikaw itong a fighter. Kaya mo itong lahat, itong mga pagsubok. May mga pagsubok man sa pag-aaral. Again, at a young age, you can achieve all of these achievements na gusto mong ma-achieve. Marami ka nang na-achieve, kapatid, as a young age. Kahit na bata ka pa, marami ka nang na-achieve. Marami ka nang again, hindi lahat ito ha. Congratulations. Okay, ang ganda-ganda ng energy mo, at kung ikaw itong bata pa na marami ka nang na-achieve, siguro all A's yung grades mo, or marami kang gustong matutunan, you can do it. Marami ka pang, I'm also getting like, marami ka pang bigas na kakainin. So again, there's so much more for you to learn in this lifetime. So, keep going, you're a fighter. Yeah, matalino ka, matapang ka, kapatid, pile number 2. So, that's the current energy. Kung hindi kayo nakaka-resonate dito, sa pile na ito, this energy, pile number 2, is really more on, again, this is like a message for you from the angel. Yeah, napaka-specific dito ha. Kasi meron akong na energy dito na biglang lumabas sa social media mo because your guardian angel wants you to see this or to watch this reading, pile number 2. Yes, napaka-intuitive mo. So, you are lead, okay? Talagang tinuturo sa iyo ng guardian angel mo or your spirit guides na to watch this reading. Kasi there is a lesson for you to learn from this reading. Okay? So, alamin natin, yes or no, pile number 2, kung ito bang tao na gusto mong maibabalik yung nakaraan, gusto rin ba niya maibalik ang nakaraan with you? Okay? A family member, friendship, lover, family, co-workers, ikaw lang nakakaalam, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakakasunod. So, yes or no, the person in their mind, spirit guide angels, iniisip din ba nila ang nakaraan na gusto din nilang balikan? Okay? Ang ating pile number 2, yung mga nakaraan na gusto nilang balikan. Kung may babalik ko lang. Okay? Yes or no? Okay. Pile number 2, is it yes or no for pile number 2, the person in their mind? Na gusto nilang balikan ang nakaraan with this person in their mind. Yes. So we have here yes. Again, you guys are being protected. Okay? So wag kayong mabahala if you have to walk away from people around you. Yeah. May mga struggle ka man sa friendship, family, sa trabaho. Again, may rason sa universe para sa iyo because you are being protected. So, intindihin mo na lang, this is also a more on angel message for you, pile number 2. Kaya nga napanood mo ito, pile number 2, napili mo ito because the universe wants you to know, gusto nila kung ano ang dapat para sa iyo or mas nakakabuti para sa iyo. Ginagawa nila ito para sa ikabubuti mo. So you just have to understand the fact na the people around you, mga struggle mo, yes, dahil ito ay gusto ni universe na magkaroon ka ng success or masuportahan ka nila or maprotektahan ka nila. Yeah. So, like again, yes, the person in your mind, gusto nila na maibalik ang nakaraan. So, parehas kayong dalawa na inisip niyo na kung pwede maibalik yung nakaraan. Maybe we have heard at the age of 21 or something about 21 na related. Or number 2, wow, 221. So maybe you have this angel number 221. So check niyo po yan. Katuwaan lang ito ha. Baka makaresonate kayo dito sa angel number natin, 221. Kasi I'm getting like itong pile number 2, napakasagrado. So, yeah, 221. Wow. Or 122. Okay? So, ano ang iniisip or nais balikan ng person nila? Okay? So, confirm na ito na gusto din nila balikan ang nakaraan. Pile number 2. Okay. So, ano ang nais balikan ng ating pile number 2 person? Okay? And before that, alamin muna natin kung pamilya ba ito, coworker, sino ito. Okay? Para mas ma-confirm natin. Sino itong tao na gustong balikan ang nakaraan ng ating pile number 2? Is a lover, family member, coworker, ano ba yan? Talagang natapon pa. Okay, we have here Queen of Swords. It could be a mother, a sister, okay? Or maybe it could be a mother of your children. And Page of Cups. I'm sorry, this could be your lover. Yes. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate because this is the person who's thinking about you na sana may balik pa ito. Yeah. Meron ditong tao na a lover na gusto niyang balikan, naligawan kang muli. Thinking about na lapitan ka muli, ligawan ka. And I'm also getting like gusto niya mag-offer ng tulong sa'yo. It's like a friendship. Parang friendship muna bago a relationship. But again, this person have feelings for you. Pile number 2, may nararamdaman siya. Gusto niya balikan yung nakaraan na ligawan ka. And kung may chance pa ba? May chance pa ba na tanggapin mo siya? Pile number 2. Okay? Iba naman sa inyo dito. This could be a mother of your children or a co-worker. Queen of Swords, this is like more on siguro I'm getting like a friend. Yeah. A friend or an ex-friend or somehow wala kayong communication. Yeah, there's like no communication between the two of you. Kayong dalawa ng friend mo o itong taong ito. Yung iba, a sister or a friend. Yes, malakas dito yung friend na lately hindi ka nag-uusap or a sister, a family member na hindi ka nag-uusap. And this person also thinking of you na sana mabalikan pa ito. Itong mga nakaraan na dahil siguro umalis ka na, tinalikuran mo na siya or siguro talaga may distance sa inyong dalawa ng kapatid mo or sa inyo ng pamilya mo. Siguro nasa malayo ka and this person's thinking about you. Na iniisip niya yung mga or naalala pa niya yung mga nakaraan, yung mga magagandang nakaraan. Yeah. Even if your person or this person na iniisip ka, iniisip niya yung mga nakaraan ninyo na especially sa pagka parang binibisi-bisihan, ano ba yan? Binibisi-bisihan niya ang sarili niya. Pagka lalo't na busy siya, iniisip ka niya. Naalala ka niya. Yeah. So, parang, yan, naalala niya yung bonding ninyo, yung magandang communication ninyo, yung magandang relationship ninyo as a sisterhood, as a friend, as a family. Okay? Or this could be also your daughter. This could, baka ikaw to may anak na malaki na, dalaga, yeah, or may pamilya na, this person's thinking of you. Kasi meron ditong distance, ano? So, again, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakakarasunit, ano? And there's like a distance of friendship. Siguro may, parang nagkakaroon ng separation. Yes? Because, may kanya-kanya kayong, ang mga tao kasi guys, may mga kanya-kanyang path, daan na tatahakin. So we all have different challenges or different life path. So even if may gap na kayo, may distance kayo, your friend, your sister still thinking of you, still reminiscing, binabalik yung nakaraan. Yeah, kaya nga sinasabi natin, kung may babalik ko lang. Yeah, iniisip niya kung may babalik ko lang yung nakaraan na masaya tayo, kaya lang ikaw ay umalis na, something like that, na yung mga bagay na masaya na iniisip niya na masaya kayo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito. Wow, meron naman itong Queen of Wands. So, meron ditong, kung may babalik ko lang, this person's thinking na maybe acting or as an actor or meron kasi ibang bansa, siguro mahilig itong taong ito na magsusuot ng mga gown, kasi naalala niya na nagsuot siya ng gown or something about magsuot ng gown or you could be dealing with fire sign or Leo. Yeah? Okay. Or air sign and water sign. Well, lahat naman dito ng sign andito. Air, water, fire. Yeah. Well, you know what? Earth sign, wala naman dito ang earth sign. Earth sign ang wala dito. Okay. Yeah, so parang ang wala lang dito is yung earth sign. Merong ibang, parang konti lang yung earth sign dito. Pero makaramihan yung air, water, and fire. Okay? So again, kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate dito ha, kasi hindi po ito para sa lahat. Yeah. I mean, hindi ito para sa one person. Ito ay para sa lahat. I'm sorry. Okay? So this person wants to get back to that fun. Siguro mahilig kayo manood ng plays. Saying play, yung mga theater, acting, something like that. Or mahilig kayo manood ng mga painting, drawing, something arts. Or maybe this person is in sa ibang bansa or entertainer. Yes. Siguro itong taong ito ay siguro na-entertain ka ng taong ito, natutuwa ka. This person is very jolly to be with. Masaya itong taong ito na kasama ka. Okay? And this person is still admiring you. Meron ito naman when it comes to love life, this person na gusto niyang mag-offer ng tulong sa iyo through friendship muna. But again, this person likes you. Yes. Meron itong gustong kung may babalik ko lang na ligawan ka, would you still take me? Kasi parang tumalikod ka na, parang ayaw mo na. Siguro nakapag-move on ka na. This could be your ex, yung iba sa inyo dito. Alright. Ano pa, Spirit Guide Angels? Kung may babalik ko lang. Okay. File number 2. You know what? Okay. Yes, this could be also your mom. Yung iba dito, yung nanay mo. Or, siguro pinipray mo ito. Pinipray mo yung mga kapatid mo kahit na nasa malayo ka. Pinipray mo sila na sana ay okay sila. Kaya, meron kasi ditong namimiss mo sila as a sisterhood. Friendship and sister. Like, it's like a family here, namimiss mo. Kasi meron itong distance, ano? So, yes. And same thing sa kanila din. Kahit na may distance kayo ng family members mo, nanay, mga kapatid, sisters, friends, naalala ka pa rin nila. Gusto din nila balikan yung nakaraan na masaya kayo pareho. It's like more on happy moments na, yes, masaya sila na iniisip ka, na naalala ka rin nila. Yeah. Just to let you know, file number 2, naalala ka rin nila. And yes, gusto din nila balikan yung nakaraan with you. Okay? So, alamin natin kung sino itong file number 2 na gusto nilang balikan. Or may babalik. Okay? The person, para ma-confirm natin file number 2 person. Sino sila? Sino sila? Okay. We have here letter Y. Classmate, siguro kaklase mo ito. Again, friendship. Siguro classmate mo to noon. Merong foreigner. Okay, Year of the Tiger. Again, there's a foreigner na gusto kang balikan, gusto kang ligawan, kausapin. Maybe that's why this person wants to reach out or mag-offer ng friendship muna. Your other half, this could be your soulmate, your twin flame. Suplado, maybe this person's kind of like may pagkasuplado. Letter R. Water sign, again, nasabi ko na rin kanina. Medyo madungisin. Banking. Mahilig sa kantutan. Ano ba yan? Yes, mahilig sa kantutan because you guys are very napaka-hot. Okay? So, napaka-sexy. Yeah, wow, nasabi ko na. Ito pa, may sexy, confirm, napaka-sexy ninyo. Okay? Real estate. Masayahin. Mahilig sa alahas. Again, this person also think about, when it comes to relationship, meron itong gusto kanyang ligawan dahil gusto niyang balikan ulit yung moments ninyo na romantic. Okay? Yeah, working with government. Siguro itong taong ito nagtatrabaho sa government. So, advice na tayo mga kapatid. Okay. What is your final advice for our pile number 2, please? Pile number 2, advice. Spirit Angels. Pile number 2, advice. Sorry, guys. Okay. Pile number 2, there's nothing to worry about. So yes, kaya nga kanina 'di ba you guys are like dealing with struggle, worrying about being away, yes. Worrying about what if, kaya nga minsan napapabalik kayo, parang binabalik-balikan yung nakaraan. What if baka nagkakamali kayo ng pinili ninyo, something like that, the energy that I'm getting. Hold on. Meron ditong, ano ba yan? Ano to? Wow, pahabol, may letter A pa. Meron ditong nahihiya, no? Parang nahihiya to si letter A na malaman mo na inisip ka rin niya. Okay? So, may misteryosong letter A para sa iyo, sa buhay mo. Pile number 2. So, you can post the video at kung gusto mo, post mo to and basahin mo na lang kung gusto mo. So, we have here, there's nothing to worry about. You are safe and this situation is under perfect control of divine providence and the universe order. Only infuse loving thoughts and emotions into the situation to ensure that the highest possible outcome flows effortless to and through you. So, yes, wala kang dapat na ikabahala. Believe in the works of the universe. Again, you guys are being protected. May mga ups and downs man tayo, but again, this is just a way of the universe how they protect you. Ito yung way nila na maprotektahan ka nila. May mga imbalance man tayo. So again, the universe is guiding you. So wala kang dapat na ikabahala. Continue on believing in them. Manalangin palagi. And they're always there guiding you and sending you messages. Alam mo, they're sending a message like through this reading. And I'm so glad that we are connected by the divine, your guardian angels. So maraming salamat. And sana nakaresonate kayo mga pile number 2 sa lahat ng aking mga viewers dito. Maraming salamat. Sana nakaresonate kayo dito sa reading na ito. And again, I love you guys. And I hope to see you guys in my next reading. And thank you for believing in me and also your guardian angels. I love you guys and see you guys next time. Bye.